In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a table workspace in Smartsheet, Sheet Structure 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can start with a clean, structured space that's ready for your projects. A workspace in Smartsheet is like a dedicated folder for your work. It keeps related items together and makes it easier to manage access and organize sheets. Choosing the table starting point gives you a familiar grid layout that's great for structured data, lists, and repeatable processes. First, go to smartsheet.com in your browser. Any modern browser will work fine. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right in. If not, you'll see the sign-in options. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. Use your preferred method, company single sign-on, Google or Microsoft, or your email and password. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step to proceed. Keep your credentials secure and only sign in on trusted devices. After you log in, you'll land on your home area. This is your starting dashboard and quick launch point. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation panel. That's where we'll start creating your new space. On the left sidebar, click Create. This opens the creation panel, which includes templates, starting points, and options for building new items. Think of it as your shortcut to the right structure without having to build everything from scratch. Scroll down until you find the new workspace starting point. If you're working on a smaller screen, you might need to scroll a bit further to see all available options. If it's not immediately visible, expand any categorized sections in the Create panel to reveal more starting points. Here you'll see multiple view-based starting points. Smartsheet offers different ways to visualize the same data, and each starting point tailors the structure slightly. You might see options for card-style boards, timelines, or calendars. For a straightforward, grid-first setup that's easy to customize, we'll choose the table option. Click Table. Smartsheet will generate a new workspace and add a table sheet inside it. This gives you a clean, organized grid that's ideal for listing tasks, tracking items, or building a simple database of information. You'll notice columns and rows ready for your structure, and you can build on this foundation as your needs grow. From here, you're set up with the right framework to expand into other views later, but starting with a table keeps things clear and manageable. That's it. Your table workspace is created and ready for you to tailor to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any step if you want to follow along in real time.